In Stocking Up today, Dominic Salvino of Group 1 Trading joins me. I am so pleased to have you on the show today.
Good to be here.
Dominic happens to be one of the best VIX traders that I know, and I know a lot of your colleagues feel the same way about you. So while we can't give you any indications as to what's ahead for the market, we do get some clues and signals from time to time from the VIX. So Dominic, what do you see happening in the VIX that's really the headline or the theme right now?
Well, the thing that most people are talking about is how low the VIX is right now. You're seeing lows that we haven't seen in years. And this is people wondering a little bit because they see a brand new president coming in doing things that they can't expect, don't expect, and not sure what he's going to do next. That normally adds volatility to the marketplace, but we're not seeing that. You see the S&P, it's been grinding up slowly since the election. Very few pullbacks, if any. Volatility coming in, not surprisingly. However, you have to keep in mind that the VIX is a very short-term indicator.
So typically when the VIX is down, the S&P is going up. They tend to move in opposite directions.
Yes.
Not always, but most of the time.
Most of the time.
So what does this tell you, maybe the next month out? Are they expecting something big to come out of Washington that could move the market?
In the 1 month time frame, the VIX is pretty accurate. It's saying that it does not see volatility, it does not see something happening. Could be wrong, but at the moment that's what the market is saying. And you see that not only in the VIX, but the S&P 500 options which underlie it. Those are very consistent right now, very low, very cheap. The premiums, the insurance, if you will, very inexpensive right now.
Can you tell what might be coming up maybe 6 months from now?
If you look at the VIX cash, you can't because that's only a 30-day number. However, we trade futures 6 months out on the VIX, and those tell a different story. You see what's called contango, meaning that the back months are much higher than the front months, and that's telling us that we think volatility will come back in the marketplace over the next 6 months.
So whatever's going to happen, we might be okay with the market fluctuations over the next month, but going forward, that's when we might see some real moves in the market.
And that makes some sense. The political environment being what it is, something happening in the next 2 to 3 weeks, unlikely. Something happening in the next 3 to 4 months, seems to be very likely.
Well, thank you for keeping us posted. Come back on the show.
Well, thank you.